Confluences for this trade are very simple. In the daily time frame, you can see that clearly we are bullish, right? Uh we have this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So clearly what are we going to get next? A higher high, right? Now it failed to make that higher high here, and then it made a pullback instead of breaking this level and giving us a higher high. It came for a pullback. Now within this daily time frame, we have this demand zone right here. This demand zone here, as you can see, this candle failed to give a wick that was higher than this one. So this is a demand zone that pushed price up. So as it came back there, to validate that demand zone, what I was looking for is a change of character or a structure switch, right? So the way it was coming, you see that this is the demand zone right here, and price came down, making what? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And this was the switch, right? Some people call it a change of character, but it's a market structure switch, right? MSS. So it gave that switch here and then came for a pullback into this place. So that is why I'm entering at this point here. All right, as you can see, I am aiming to take it to that high, right, for a nice 1:2. And another reason why another simple confluence, although this is not really part of my setup, is that in this 4 hour candle you can see that it does not have any wick at the top. So most likely this is the wick down, and then it's going to push up or close above, right? So I'm already inside the trade, and let's see how it plays out. So what's up, guys? As you can see from the analysis, it was just perfect. Everything played out to perfection. Like, just take a look at that candle where we entered. Remember what I told you? At that point, I said it was going to go back up to this place, and that is exactly what happened. So this trade ended up as it ended up hitting take profit. As you can see, this is a 144 pips move from this from where we entered to this to the TP. It's 144 pips. Now if you observe something, you see this blue dotted line here and here. This blue dotted line represents psychological levels, right? And if you look back, you can see that that psychological level, price always reacts from there. You can see it served as resistance here, broke it, served as support here. And if you just go back, you can see it has always been respecting it. So that's something that you want to add to your trading toolbox, right? That can also help you. And where did price head to? From this psychological level, it headed straight to the next psychological level, which is 154,000. Now if you observe, if you go back and look at the analysis I made, you see that initially this my trade was set to somewhere like this, but I decided to extend it because I knew that it wouldn't just stop there. It wouldn't just stop at at this break of structure. It can't just stop there, so I extended it a little bit just to fit in. So there you have it, guys. By the way, what's it called? Funding Pips are running a promo for their what's it called, for their prop firm, right? So if you want to get funded, this is actually the best time for you to get a prop challenge. So if you use the link in the description, you are going to get a discount. I think right now they are running a discount of 20%. So this is the best time for those my guys that want to get funded. This is the best time for you to actually get funded at a cheaper price. I also have a video that will show you how to purchase an account if you do not have an account, or if you don't know the process, especially if you're in Nigeria. So I'm going to link to the video. I'm also going to link to Funding Pips in the description of this video. So thank you for watching. There you have it, guys. See you on the next one.